welcome back to my channel, and this is Juliet from Juliet's Corner. Today's video, I just want to show you my basic essentials, on the go. If it's like if I'm in a hurry and then I just want to touch up or to put something real quick in my face. Before I proceed, I would like to thank everyone. I would like to say hello everyone after this quarantine, and since everybody, like not everybody, but most of the salon are closed. And look at my eyebrow, so I didn't get a chance to go on the salon because they're closed, and then this one too. So I have here something that I can that I'm using to clean up my eyebrow and my mustache. So this one of this is for the eyebrow and one of this is for the mustache. So since they're closed, I use this on the go. Sorry, it's a fax machine. Anyways, so yeah, so come with me and we're gonna clean up this real quick, whatever I can remove, but I know it's not that perfect because this is just like a battery thing, and then you can pull it up, push it, this one, and then it's gonna work. So it's not that this one is not that hurt. You're just gonna go like this, back and forth until you reach your desired shape, or until the excess will clean, you see. And then I got this in Bath and Body Works for only $19 or $20. So this comes with a battery, and if you don't have time to go into your salon, you can just grab this, and there you go. By the way guys, I would like to thank everyone who keeps on watching all my videos. Sorry I didn't say my introduction in the right way because I'm gonna record more videos. I've been busy couple months since I'm working. I work full-time, and then I have like the business, this shirt printing, and the mask, so I was able to do it, and then I didn't get a chance to record as much video. So you're just gonna be careful, because once you made a mistake, you're gonna mess up your eyebrow. I'm not sure why. So my camera stopped, so I guess this one is okay for now. And grab this. Same thing, but this is for the circular motion. I used to have this remove through wax. This one is threading or sometimes wax. And then I have this, to remove the excess dirt in your face. I just got this in TJ Maxx. I'm about to say Trader Joe's. So yeah, TJ Maxx. This one is a facial toner and alcohol free. It says rose petal. I guess the scent. So it will remove your excess dirt. I just took a shower. You can do this as well. Even if you're after a shower, you'll see there's a lot of excess dirt. This one, the serum. This I saw this online on Instagram. I have this same brand, Fort Grey. It's a face milk. Concealer. I got this from Glossier. I used to put it here at the bottom. So today I'm not gonna really use my any brush because, like I said, this like my undercoat. And then before I forgot, I used to put this one. It's Vaseline. I have the pressed powder from Chanel. This one is from Glossier. My Underglow eyeshadow. And then I have another one from Glossier. It's a blush. Liquid blush. peach color for beam color from Glossy. The eyelashes. Usually I curl it a little bit and then I put the mascara. Put the mascara from my favorite brand, Maybelline. So, and then after I put the mascara, I curl it again. Last, I have this lip gloss from Tarte. It smells good. I love it. It's like an orange color, like gold. It smells really good. This is lip paint. The bottom it says Strike Gold, and I love it. So before I forgot, this is from Forte also. It's a mist to lighten up. Hold 10 to 12 inches away from face, close size, and mist liver shake before use. So this is my mist from Forte. It's like a gold also. Like all my on the go matches. I have the peach blush on. This one is light, the eyeshadow, and then I have this Tarte. It's a gold. What does it say? Gold, Strike Gold, and then I have this for a mist. It says shake it before you use it, 11 inches away, and then close your eyes. Like your face got a vitamin C. I love this. There you go. So that's it for today, guys. Those are my basic essentials on the go makeup kit, and I have also on the go shaver for my eyebrow and my mustache. And then that's it. So I hope you like this video. If you think that this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have more videos to come. It's just that I'm so busy. Usually I posted every day, so different kind of videos, whatever you can learn, whatever I can share for you guys, that's something to learn. Mostly it's a business stuff, so and those DIYs. So don't forget to hit the bell notification so every time I posted you're updated. And thank you for watching. I guess my subscriber is like 1090 something. Road to 1100. No, road to 1100. So I guess it's okay for now. I mean, I'm so happy, and you guys have, I have a lot of subscriber, and I was able to reach 1,000. It's just that kind of slow, but I will get there, you know. Pretty soon I'm gonna get there and monetize this channel. This channel. So just keep on watching. I mean, you know, just keep on watching all my videos. If you want to watch those old videos, go ahead, watch my old videos. You are free to watch. Just leave a comment if you have any, you know, comments, good comments, negative comments. Just leave it. Leave it. Okay, so see you in the next video. See you in my next video. I guess I'm gonna do my unboxing. Yay! Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.